Hey guys, my name is Madhav Malik and today I'm going to tell you how you can install Mac OS Mojave on your Mac. So first of all, open App Store and you will see this Mac OS Mojave. So let's click on it. Okay, so right now I will just click on download and it starts downloading. So here are a few features of this new operating system. After that, I have this pop-up saying Mac OS Mojave. So let's click on continue. And this must be the agreement, the license agreement. Let's click on agree. And it's installed. So it requires my password. So it's gonna take 10 minutes. Let me pause the video. That I see a restart, so let me restart. So just after that, I see that the Mac OS Mojave is installed. So right now it is asking me to choose light mode or dark mode. I'm gonna go for dark mode. So it says setting up your Mac. And then I see my Mac OS Mojave in the dark. Right now I'm going to show you a few features of this new operating system. So first of all, if I search for any of my pictures, so if I right click on it and I see a new option known as quick action. So you can create a PDF really quickly just by clicking on it. And here you get the PDF. So the another feature of this operating system is the new App Store. It's not the new App Store, but it has changed a lot. As you can see, everything's changed. Right. I also see a few new applications. So there's this home, stocks, and voice memos. So these were the few features of the new operating system. So this is how you have installed Mac OS Mojave on your Mac. If you find this video helpful, then please share with your friends, family, and others. And don't forget to comment, subscribe, or like. Thank you.